Setting up YouTube for your business. The first step you should accomplish is creating a Google account, which I'm pretty sure you have created a few of them already. Something awesome about Google is that one account is all you need. That means one free account gets you into everything Google. You can manage absolutely any of the 8 most used Google applications, such as Gmail, Blogger, Maps, and of course, YouTube. If you have access to any one of those services, you already have a Google account. Once you have your account created, you can go straight to youtube.com, sign in, and your YouTube account is already activated. Now that you have a Google account, besides just watching videos, you'll be able to enjoy many YouTube features, such as liking videos, saving favorites, subscribing to channels, watching later, watching history, and flagging videos, among others. YouTube can also recommend that you watch other videos according to what you've already watched, liked, and subscribed to. Something important to be aware of is that if you delete your Google account, it will delete your YouTube data, including all videos, comments, and subscriptions. Besides these additional features, if you or your business would like to have a public presence on YouTube, you must create a channel. Without a channel, everything you do in YouTube is private. If you would like to upload videos, comment on videos, create playlists, and so many other awesome marketing stuff that is available to you for free, you have to create a YouTube channel. Google accounts don't come with a YouTube channel by default. Creating a channel is easy, but something for you to be aware of is that at the moment, creating a channel can't be done in the Android or iOS YouTube apps. You must use the mobile site or a computer. There are 2 types of YouTube channels you can create: a personal channel with your name and a channel with your business or other name. First, click on the top right corner image. Then click on the YouTube setting icon. You'll then be able to view your account information. Right there, you'll be able to create a new channel. You can then decide what first and last name you'll use for your channel. Also, be aware that changes you make here may show up across Google services with other content you create and share, and to people you interact with. You can also use a business or other name. This can be used if you would like to create a YouTube channel for your business. Other options will appear. You'll be able to name your channel, pick a category, agree to the page terms, and finally click on Done. With this channel, you'll be able to upload public and private videos to the channel, comment on videos using your channel name, and your new channel comes with a Google Plus page. Okay, now that you have added a brand new YouTube channel to your account, you can add a channel icon, channel art, and make sure you include your channel description.